أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة على أعدائهم من الآن إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Right, okay. So continuing from our last lesson, I want to practice a few more verbs so that everyone becomes good in conjugating the verbs. And I'm going to start off with kataba, and I'll bring it onto the screen. Just give me 2 seconds. Right. Right, can everyone see the screen? Yes?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Now, I would like Fazil. Assalamu alaikum, Fazil.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Right, Fazil, can you...
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Would you be able to just recollect for me what we covered so that we can move on and then inshallah start our level 3? So, can you see on the screen the verbs now? How many verbs are there for the past tense, Fazil?
Can you please repeat that?
How many verbs are there for the past tense? Meaning, how many forms?
Yes.
Do you remember? Let's count together. Fazil, let's count. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
10, 11, 12.
12, 13, and 14. So katabna is exactly the same. So we don't count this. We will count 14. So there are 14 forms for the past tense. I'll make it easier on this one. If I show you this one here, this will make it easier for you to understand for how is it 14. Let me just make it into a bigger full screen. So can you see over here?
Yes.
He went, they both went, they all went. She went, they both went, they all went. Then you went, you two went, you all went. Anti, you one female went. Antuma, you two females went. Dhahabtuma. Antunna, you all females went. Ana dhahabtu, and nahnu dhahabna. These are 14 forms. So can you start with it, Fazil? Huwa dhahaba, please.
Huwa dhahaba, he went. Huwa dhahaba, they too went, masculine. Huma dhahabu, they all went,
Excellent.
masculine. Hiya dhahabat, she went.
Excellent.
Huma dhahabta,
Dhahabata.
dhahabata,
Yep.
they too went.
Excellent.
Hunna dhahabna, they all went, feminine.
Good boy.
Antuma dhahabtuma,
No.
dhahabtum.
Dhahabta.
Oh, dhahabta. Okay, sorry. You went, masculine. Antuma dhahabtuma, you two went, masculine. Anti dhahabti, you went, feminine.
So you missed this one here. Antum dhahabtum. You missed that one.
Anti dhahabtum, you two. All of you went, masculine. Anti dhahabti, you went, feminine. Antuma dhahabtuma, you two went, feminine.
Right?
أنتن ذهبتن. You
We all went.
you all went. ذهبت.
Yep.
ذهبت. I went. Male, female. نحن ذهبنا. We went.
Excellent. Excellent. Good boy. I'm going to ask Reja. Alaikum salam. Thank you for sending the homework. So, Reja, I'm going to give you, let's give you another one. Can you see this one here, Raja?
Yes.
So this one here is kataba. So next to the actual, on the right hand side, it's got the pronoun. Pronoun means individuals who the verb is talking about. So huwa kataba would mean he wrote. Who wrote?
He wrote.
Good girl. Now, can you continue now? Can you continue and conjugate and translate as well, please?
Huma katabu. They wrote.
So
They
huma kataba. Kataba.
Huma kataba. They both wrote. Hum katabu. They all wrote.
Excellent.
Hiya katabta.
Yeah, katabat.
Katabat. She wrote.
Excellent.
Huma katabata. They both wrote.
Good girl.
Hunna katabna. They all wrote.
Excellent.
Katabta. You wrote.
Excellent.
Antuma katabtuma. You both wrote.
Yep.
Antum katabtum. You all wrote.
Yep.
Katabti. You wrote. Feminine. Antuma katabtuma. You both wrote.
Excellent.
Antunna katabtunna. You all wrote.
Excellent.
Ana katabtu. You
No,
I
Anna.
wrote.
Yep.
Nahnu katabna. We wrote.
Excellent. Excellent. I'm going to ask next Binish.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing homework. Assalamu alaikum. So which one would you like to do? Would you like to do kataba, or would you like to do dhahaba, or would you like to take a challenge and do a new verb? What would you like to do? Like a challenge? Like to do this one, kataba or dhahaba, or a third verb, which is a new one?
Third one.
You want to do the third one? Excellent. I like that. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me just try to get this back. Which one is it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Yeah. Right. Here is the actual template. The verb is darasa. Darasa. Would you be able to do this one, or shall I give you darasa? Let me just give you something easier. Give me. It's not going to be fair on you. Okay, what we'll do this one here. Just want to make it easy for you. So it's so here is the template. kataba. I want you to do darasa on the same pattern. So darasa means he studied. Darasa means,
He studied.
go ahead.
Oh,
Give me 1 second. Let me just get the other sheet on the screen. I think it'll be easier because I think it may be challenging. There you go. Use this screen and then it'll be easier for you to conjugate. There you go. Huwa darasa. Try to do it. Huwa darasa. Huma darasa. Hum darasu. Let's do it with me, Binish.
okay.
Huwa darasa.
Huwa darasa.
He studied.
He studied.
Huma darasa.
Huma darasa.
They both studied.
They both studied.
So you see that we added the alif there. Dhahaba, dhahaba. So there's an alif there. Then the next one, we add alif and waw. So be hum darasu.
Hum darasu.
They all studied.
They all studied.
Let's do the first one now. You do it and I'm going to listen to you. How would you say from huwa dhahaba to he studied? Huwa dara.
Huwa darasa.
They both studied?
He studied.
No, they both. Next one is they both studied.
Oh, huma darasa.
Good girl. Next one. Hum.
Hum darasu.
Excellent. She studied.
Hiya darasat.
Excellent.
Huma darasata.
Excellent. Hunna.
Hunna darasata.
No, daras. Daras.
Daras.
Na.
Oh, no.
So remember this one. It's a da, ra, sa. The scene from the sixth form, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. The scene becomes silent, and you add a noon with a fatha. Daras na. So hunna.
Hunna
Darasna. Hunna darasna. Excellent. Continue.
Anta darasat.
Anta darasta.
Anta darasta.
Correct.
Antum
Tuma.
darastuma.
Correct.
Antunna dar.
No, it's next. This one is antum darastum.
Antum darastum.
Yep.
Anti
Darasti.
darasti.
Yep.
Antuma darastuma.
Excellent.
Antunna darastunna.
Excellent. Ana darastu.
Darastu.
Excellent.
Nahnu darasna.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Excellent. That was really good. Right. Would you like to ask any questions? No? Okay, that's fine. Next person, Qurratul Ain.
Salam.
Alaikum salam. How are you, Qurra?
Good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. So, do you remember this, or you need to revise this?
I wasn't in the first lesson, but I think I've got it.
You got it. Okay, then let's see what have you got then. Come on, let's go. Huwa dhahaba. Let's start with huwa dhahaba. He went.
Okay. Huwa dhahaba.
Yep.
He went.
Yep.
Huma dhahaba.
Correct. Translate as what they went.
Hum
Yep.
ذهبوا
ذهب. Mhm.
هي ذهبت
Yeah.
ذهبت
Yep.
هما ذهبتا
ما ذهبتا.
ذهبتا
They both went.
هن
Yep.
ذهبنا
Excellent. What does that mean?
they went
They all went. Yep.
and then أنت
Yep.
ذهبت
ذهبت. Yep. أنتما.
أنتما ذهبتما
Excellent.
أنتم ذهبتم
Excellent.
أنت ذهبتي
Excellent.
أنتما ذهبتما
Excellent.
أنتمنا ذهبتمنا
Yep.
أنا ذهبنا
ذهبت.
ذهبت نحن ذهبنا
نحن ذهبنا. Excellent. Excellent. Right. I'm going to bring the next person on the mic. Who is that going to be? Right. Fazil, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you to do this exercise first. This exercise, it's following. How do you, the word dhahika means he laughed.
Yes.
And what does the next one mean? Dhahikti.
You laugh.
Who laughed? Boy or girl?
You laugh. You laughed female.
Good boy. Next one.
ضحكوا.
Yep.
They laughed male.
Correct. Next one.
ضحكتم. You laughed. No. You all laughed
Okay.
male. صحكت. صحكت.
It's got the word I there. So who laughed?
Okay, I think I know now. I laughed.
And the next one. Dhahik.
ضحكتما.
Yep.
You male or female. You laughed male or female.
Good boy. Now, this one here, it says dhahab tuma, correct?
Yes.
What would this mean?
ذهبتما is went.
They both went, yes?
Yes,
So-
it does.
How would you say he went? So from here, dhahabtuma, if you wanted to change this to he went, so you need to remove the tuma and the ba, which has a sukoon. Can you see the sukoon on the ba?
Yes.
You put a fatha there. And then you end up with the first verb, he went. What would it be?
ذهب.
Excellent. What does dhahaba mean?
ذهب means he went.
So, so from the dual, masculine and feminine, you both, masculine and female went. So to make he went from the habtuma, what do you need to do? What's the two steps? Number one, remove
You need to remove the
Tuma.
the meme alif and yeah, tuma.
Yeah, that's the attached pronoun, which means you too. And the ba, which has a sukoon, what do we need to change it to?
You need to change it to ba fatha.
Excellent, good boy. Now he went is dhahaba. What's the next one? How do you see you
The
went?
next-
Went.
The next one is ذهبا.
No. Look at this one. Look at this.
Oh,
This is a test now. This is an exercise, so it's not the same form as dhahaba, dhahaba, dhahabu. Now I'm going to ask you individual ones at a different pattern now. What's the next one? It's asking you one female went. How would you say that?
um, ذهبت.
No. Remember T. Let me go back. Let me go back. Where is it gone? Let me show you this again and try to clarify this again. So remember here, in dhahaba, he went. So they both went. We added the alif there, dhahaba. In dhahabu, we added alif and waw, and the previous letter is given a dhamma, dhahabu. And when we want to make she went, we add a ta with a sukoon, and it becomes dhahabat. And when we want to say they both females went, we add a ta and an alif together, and it becomes dhahaba. Boy. And when we want to say they all females went, we add a noon with a fatha, and before the noon with a fatha, the last letter of the three-letter verb has a sukoon, dhahab,
ذهبنا.
and the next all remaining 8 have the ba with a sukoon, ta, tuma, tum, ti, tuma, tunna, to, and na. So dhahab, na, we went. Dhahab, to, who went?
ذهبت. What I went.
And dhahabtunna,
ذهبتن. You went feminine. You two went feminine.
you all went.
Oh,
You all went.
yes.
Right. So do you understand now? Is it clear for you now?
Yes.
So you from you, the three letters, so the minimum letters in Arabic for a verb are 3, dhahaba. So let's go back and see if you could do it now again. So dhahika, to make it you one male went, you make the kaf with a fatha with a sukoon, dhahik, t. So dhahaba, make ba with sukoon and add a t will become dhahab.
ذهبت.
Next one, ka became dhahiku. Dhahab become
ذهبت.
no.
ذهبوا.
Good boy.
ذهبوا.
So next one, dhahiktum. So dhahika became
ضحك became ضحكتم, which means ذهبتم.
is easy. Do you understand now? Yes.
Yes.
Brilliant. Now next one, dhahika, I went became dhahik to.
So
So dhahaba will become
ضحكت, so that means it will become ذهب.
dhahab. Add a to at the end. Dhahab.
ذهبت.
Boy, what does dhahabto mean?
ذهبت means I went.
I laughed. Dhahabto, I went. Yes, good boy. Right. How do you find that exercise? A bit challenging?
Not two.
Pardon?
Not two.
What do you mean not two?
As in not too challenging.
Okay. Let's do the next one then. So raja, dhahikat, dhahikti, you one female laughed, becomes raja'ti. So how would you say he returned? What would you do here now, Fazil?
Returned. he returned would be
What do we need to do? What is the pronoun for you, one female? It's the T, okay?
yes.
T is the pronoun, which means you, one female. And the ayn, the qaf had a sukoon. Ayn has a sukoon. Over here, dhahika, the last letter comes with a fatha. So if we want to say he returned, we remove the T and change the ayn with a sukoon to a,
To a fatha.
becomes,
Raja'a.
what does it become?
Raja'a.
Sure. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. Raja'a, he returned. Raja'ati, you won, female returned. Next one.
They two.
They all laughed. So Raja'a will become
The other will be Rajat.
Raja. No, it will become Raja. And a wow at the end. Wow and alif.
Who?
Raja'u.
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 They all returned. And next one, Dhahika became Dhahiktum. So Raja'a,
Raja'tum.
what is it?
Raja'tum.
Good boy. Next one. Raja'a, Dhahika became Dhahiktu. Raja'a will become
Raja'tu.
excellent. Next one, Raja'a. And here, Dhahika became Dhahiktuma. How would the next one become? Raja'a.
Raja'tuma.
Excellent. Raja'tuma. Now I'm going to ask Binish.
Yeah.
And you do, again, he went. How would you say he went?
هو ذهب.
Next one. You, one female, went.
هو no.
Here. Aunties.
أنت ذهبتِ.
Good girl. Next one. They all went.
They all went. أنتم.
Home is they all boys went. Home.
هم ذهبوا.
Home dhahabu, correct? You all boys went. So dhahika became dhahiktum. Dhahaba will become
ذهبتم.
excellent. Dhahabtum, excellent. Dhahika and I laughed. Dhahiktu, I laughed. So dhahaba will become
ذهبت.
excellent. And what does dhahabtuma mean?
You.
Yeah. What, you both?
You.
Yeah, you both. What did you do?
Went.
You both went. Correct. Correct. You finding that difficult or is it okay?
It's okay once you understand it.
Yeah, you need practice. Practice. So I'll send you this on the group so that you could exercise this, and your mama will be good with this as well if she's listening as well.
Yeah.
Give her some practice as well. Okay. Thank you. Let me get Raja now. Raja?
Yes.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Now, next one is Raja'ti. Raja'ti, the word Raja'ti, the word means return. So Raja'ti means you, one female, returned. Who returned?
You.
One female. Yeah, one girl returned. How would you say he returned?
Huwa Rajati.
No, this person here. So the ayn here, the T has to be removed because the T is the sign of you, one female. So that has to be removed, and the ayn has to be put a fatha. So if you put a foot on the ayn and drop the T, becomes what?
هو رجع.
Excellent. What does it become?
He went.
Exactly. How do you say he went in Arabic?
هو ذهب.
رجع. Sorry, my mistake. هو ذهب, he went is correct. He returned is هو رجع. Correct. هو.
هو رجع.
How would you say they all boys went?
هم
هم.
رجع.
Look at it, ends it alif and wow, or wow and alif. So dhahika become dhahiku. Raja'a will become
رجعوا.
excellent. Raja'u. Next one. Dhahika became dhahiktum. You all boys laughed. So raja'a will become raja.
رجعتم.
Raja'tum. What does raja'tum mean?
You all laughed. You all returned.
You all returned. Good grow. Dhahika became dhahiktu, means I laughed. So raja'a, if I want to say I laughed, I returned, will become ana
أنا رجعت.
raja'tu. Excellent. Excellent. Can you do the next one?
رجعتما.
Raja'tuma. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. And do you have any questions?
No.
I want you to do this one here as well. This first column. Dhahika, what does that mean?
He laughed.
Next one. Dhahikti, what does that mean?
You laughed, feminine.
And read the Arabic as well.
ضحكتي.
Grow. Next one.
ضحكوا. They laughed.
Yep.
Masculine.
Mhm.
ضحكتم. You laughed, masculine.
Yep.
ضحكت. I laughed. ضحكتما. We laughed.
No, you all.
You all laughed.
Excellent. Excellent. Is that clear for you now?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Next one will be Qurratul Ain.
Yes.
Qurratul Ain, the word we have here, and we need to fill in the blanks, is dakhaltum. Dakhaltum means you entered.
Okay.
So if you want to make he entered, what do we need to do? What are the two steps we need to do? Step one is to remove the pronoun tum.
Okay.
Remove tum, the lam with a sukoon change to a fatha, and that will become he returned. What would it be?
دخل.
Excellent. Dakhala means he
Entered.
entered. How do you say you one female entered? Yeah.
دخلتي.
Excellent. Dakhalti means
You female entered.
is mama helping you?
No.
Okay, where's mama? Where's your mom?
She's in a different room.
Right, she's doing her lesson as well. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next one. They all masculine laughed is dhahiku. So dakhala will become dakha. Dakhalu. Good grow. Dakhalu means they all boys laughed. Dakhalu.
Okay.
And next one, dakhaltum. What does that mean?
دخلت. means I entered.
No, you all boys.
You all entered.
Yep, you all boys entered. And how do you say I entered?
The خل to
Good girl. Dakhaltu, I entered. How would you say next last one? You two boys or female entered. How would you say that?
دخلتم.
دخلت أنتما
تما.
دخلتما دخل.
Okay. Tuma.
Excellent. Do the next one. Kharaja means he went. Kharaja means
He went.
how do you say you one female went?
خرجتي.
No, kharajti.
خرجتي.
How do you say they all females? They all boys went?
خرجوا.
Good girl. Next one. You all boys went.
خرجتم.
Excellent. I went.
خرجت.
Excellent. You two or you both females went. Kharaj.
خرجتما.
Excellent. Can you see the pattern now? So tuma,
Yeah.
ذهبتما, ضحكتي, خرجت, ضحكتم, دخلتم, ضحكوا, نظروا, ضحكتي, رجعتي, ضحك, and so on. Can you see the pattern now?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, let's do the last one, and that will be more than enough. I'm going to ask everyone 2 more questions. So, Binish, come on.
Yeah.
So how do you say najaha means he succeeded? How would you say you one female succeeded?
Najati.
Najahti, excellent. And the next one, they all boys succeeded.
And Najahtu.
No, add a wow. Dhahika to dhahiku. Najaha to
Najahu.
najahu, excellent. And next one will be, thank you. Raja, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
Next one, najaha. So dhahika became dhahiktum. You all boys laughed. Najaha means he succeeded. How would you say you all boys succeeded?
نجحتم.
Najahtum.
نجحتم.
Excellent. Next one. I succeeded.
نجحت.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Very good. And the last one?
نجحتما.
MashaAllah. You got the hang of it now, Raja, yes?
Yeah.
Brilliant. That's really good. Fazil, your turn. Fazil, you there?
Yes.
Okay, Nahara, he looked. How do you say you one female looked?
So can you please repeat that?
How do you say he? Nahara means he. How do you say you one female looked? So look at the vocab.
Yes.
And dhahika became dhahikti. You've one
Yes.
laughed. So navara, which means he looked. If we wanted to change it to you one female looked, like we added t, nadara will become
نظري.
nadarti.
نظرتي.
What does nadarti mean? You one female?
You one female looked at.
Yeah, looked at someone. Good boy. Next one. What does nadaru mean?
Navaru means very
They all looked at.
Yeah, they all,
Middle.
yeah, they all looked at. And last one, you all boys looked. So dhahika became dhahiktum. Nadara will become,
Navartum.
mashallah, very good, good boy. Qurratul Ain, the last two. And I looked will become,
I looked will become another two, sorry.
next one,
Another tuma.
correct. Excellent. Right, I'm going to just send the homework to you so you could do this with your parents, and it'll be a good exercise for your parents as well if you're learning Arabic. Just give me 2 seconds. It's page number 5 of this handout. So it's page number 5. If you want to do all of the exercises, that would be amazing. But if you can do exercise 4 on page number 5, that would be great. I've sent it into the WhatsApp group to make it life easier for yourselves, so everyone has it. Inshallah, we will do some more practice on this because I want you to become experts on this, and then I could start teaching you present tense, and then we will start the book. So once we've done the past tense, the present tense, then we will start book number 3. So we will use the Gateway to Arabic. So we will use book 3 with yourselves. Okay. Any questions from anyone?
No.
So inshallah, we will use Gateway to Arabic, book 3, not Medina Arabic. Inshallah, Medina Arabic, book 2, we'll do that afterwards, inshallah. Because of your age group, I want you to have a good, easy way of learning Arabic, because book 2 is a bit challenging. Okay, any questions from anyone?
No, thank you.
No problem. Fazil?
Yes.
Any questions?
Will we have
Yeah.
a lesson next week?
Next week, I'll double check because of the actual programs. I think it would be difficult to have it. You're right. To next week, no, we won't have. I think it's we won't because of demonstration. Not demonstration. Arba'in Julus. Yeah, there'll be no lesson next week. That's correct. Yeah, there'll be no lesson next week. That's correct because of the Arba'in.
Okay, thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. So I'll send you the recording so that you can listen to the recording in the group as well, inshallah. Okay. التماس دعاء في أمان الله.